How to withdraw from Plus500. To withdraw funds from Plus500, log into your account either through the website or mobile app. Go to the Funds section and select Withdrawal. You'll be asked to choose a withdrawal method, usually the same method used for your deposits, such as bank transfer, credit or debit card or PayPal. Enter the necessary details like the amount you want to withdraw and submit your request. Withdrawals are generally processed by Plus500 within 1 to 3 business days. However, the time it takes for the funds to reach your account may depend on your bank or chosen payment provider. Plus500 typically does not charge withdrawal fees unless you exceed the number of free withdrawals allowed within a specific time period. Make sure your account is fully verified before requesting a withdrawal. You can track the status of your withdrawal by checking your monetary history under the Reports section of your account. Thanks for watching.